Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Tuesday, July 19th, 2022. Let's take a look at the Forex calendar. First, I have my important data on this calendar, and you can see that what do we have here? We have a RBA meeting minutes already published, so we will definitely take a look at the Australian dollar. We got the data from the UK average earnings index plus bonus and climate count change. Both of this data are scheduled for release at 8 a.m. so they might have some of course impact on the pound as well. CPI from the Eurozone is scheduled for release at 11 a.m. And for the month of June the forecast is 8.6%, in line with the expectations of 8.6%. During the New York session, we got one very important data: building permits scheduled for release 2:30, and the building permits should drop to 1,650,000. At the end of the day, Q8 Bank of England Governor Bailey will give a speech, so it will be worth to pay attention on the speech after the Boris Johnson cabinet has been resolved, and now they are looking for new prime minister. So let's start with the data from the Australia, and then we are going to see what is going on the cryptocurrencies. However, let's start with the cryptocurrencies. Let's start with the Ethereum first, and then Australian dollar. Ethereum to American dollar is very interesting right now. Why? Because we just broke above the key short-term technical resistance. This is the zone which is located between 1,255 and 1,281. Now this zone will act as a technical support, and there is another very interesting level. This is the upper channel level around 1,500, violated already today. And the next very interesting level is 1,714. This level is of course a technical resistance, and this is a game changer. It's a game changer because if we break above this level, the Ethereum will be 100% up from its lows at the level of 880. Let's just find out if I'm saying if I'm telling the truth. This is the price range, and if we do this, we will see it will be 95%. Sorry, so this is a 5% more, and the 5% is around the level of 1,764. So it's only $50 higher. So please be careful, please pay attention to this level. It looks like we are going there, and please notice the fact that the traders that bought at the bottom of this selling candle, then of course might be very tempted to close the transactions with 95% profit, of course. So what do we have here? Very interesting situation. The slightly visible bearish pressure attempts. We have a very long upper shadows, and this is the momentum. Momentum is right now at the level of 66, very close to the level of 70, which is extremely for this market. This is the extremely overbought market conditions, of course, and we might see some kind of a pullback. So this is our scenario for the Ethereum. Let's find out what is going on. Where is my sorry, I just lost my one line. Oh, there you go. We are going back to this line. Let's just find out what is going on the Australian dollar. There you go. The Australian dollar, as you can see, we broke above the descending channel on a daily time frame chart. The recent low was made here around the level of 6,684. So this is the low here. Pin bar at the bottom of the rally. So let's just put the pin bar explanation or text here. This is the pin bar. We have a breakout, and right now we are testing very interesting level, 6,854. If we break above this level, then of course in order to rally higher, the market must break test and then break above the trend line that you see on this chart. This is the trend line from the beginning of the April 2022, so it's not that quite long. However, it will be interesting to see whether the market goes towards this trend line and then try to break out, or of course reverse. So if it reverse, that's not good, and we should expect new low on the Australian dollar soon. However, in case of a breakout, the next target is 7,072 pips. What is going on the US dollar index? US dollar index rally has been finally capped. However, we don't know for how long yet. On a daily time frame chart, we can clearly see that we got this bearish engulfing pattern formation from the highs of the 109.26. This is the green candle. Then there is a confirmation. We got the red candle, and this is the bearish engulfing formation. So let's just put it on the chart. This is a bearish engulfing formation, and we should expect the market to go a little bit lower. Where? Well, the next technical support is 105.78, 105.02. So this is the next target for bears. However, it still looks like a pullback from the extremely overbought market conditions. If we pay attention to this indicator, the RSI indicator, we can clearly see that this is the multi-month bearish divergence formed on the daily time frame chart of the US dollar index into the extremely overbought market conditions. So we should expect another wave to the downside on the US dollar index, which means all of the US dollar index related pairs might pull back, might bounce as well. However, it doesn't look dangerous just yet, because in order to see this level of 109.26 as the high of the uptrend, right? So this is the ultimate extreme high of the uptrend. Then we need to correct at least 2.26%, or it would be better to correct more than 3.53%, or even break 101.29 technical support level. Okay, that's the US dollar index. S&P 500. S&P 500 still cannot make up its mind. We are closed in a very, very tight range between 3,948 points and 3,638 points, a little bit higher, 3,737 points. And bears cannot break below this level, 3,737, and bulls cannot break above 3,948. So we got pretty much 200 pips zone. This is like a consolidation zone, congestion zone. People call it different names. However, what is very important here is that we are waiting for a breakout. We are waiting for a breakout either to the upside or to the downside on S&P 500. And last but not least, let's take a look at some crude oil. Crude oil has broken below the giant flag pattern. We made a very, very suspicious pin bar with a low at 90.56. This is the pin bar low, and then of course we have a bounce. Towards the level of 100, and the recent high was made at 102.87. So we got almost 10% rally here from the last low to the last high. Nevertheless, we still trade inside of the descending channel, and we should expect the market to reverse from the technical resistance. This is very interesting level here, the technical resistance around 104.84, and then of course trade a little bit lower on a daily time frame chart. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. So take care and bye bye.